What is the value -5 times -7 plus -4 in parentheses when reduced to the simplest form? So first, let me rewrite this expression. We have -5 times, and in parentheses we have -7 plus -4. The order operations tells us that first we have to do parentheses. So we copy -5 times, and in parentheses we have addition of two negative numbers. How we do this? Both of them negative, so we have to keep negative sign, and we just add 7 plus 4, close parentheses. So this is equal -5, we have to rewrite, times, and in parentheses we have negative sign. 7 plus 4 is 11. This is equal, and now we have multiplications of two negative numbers, negative times negative, or when we divide or multiply, it doesn't matter, the answer is always positive. So these two negative signs give me positive sign. I have to multiply 5 times 11. Positive sign we don't have to write. 5 times 11 is 55. This is my solution.